Elizabeth Jane Hurley, born June 10, 1965, often known as Liz Hurley, is an English actress and model. Her best-known film roles are Vanessa Kensington in Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery 1997, and as the Devil in Bedazzled 2000. Hurley's television roles include the original series The Royals 2015 to 2018 and Morgan Le Fay in Runaways 2019, based on the Marvel Comics series. She portrayed Diana Payne on the 5th season of the CW's original series Gossip Girl 2011. Hurley's first role in a big-budget film was in Passenger 57, 1992. In 1994, Hurley accompanied Hugh Grant to the London premiere of his film For Weddings and a Funeral in a plunging black Versace dress held together with gold safety pins, which gained her instant media attention. Hurley has been associated with the cosmetics company Estee Lauder since the company gave Hurley her first modeling job at the age of 29. They have featured her as a representative and model for their products, especially perfumes such as Sensuous, Intuition, and Pleasures. Since 1995, Hurley owns a beachwear line. Elizabeth Hurley was born on the 10th of June, 1965 in Basingstoke, Hampshire, England, the younger daughter of Angela Mary and Roy Leonard Hurley. Her father was a major in the Royal Army Educational Corps. Her mother was a teacher at Kempshire Junior School. She has an older sister, Kate, and a younger brother, Michael. Hurley attended Harriet Costello School, a mixed secondary in Basingstoke. And while in her teens, she became involved with punk fashion, dyeing her hair pink and piercing her nose. When I was 16, this was about 1981, 1982. The thing to be in Basingstoke, the suburb I grew up in, was punk, she explained. She reportedly associated with New Age travelers in her youth. Aspiring to be a dancer as a young girl, she enrolled in ballet classes. Hurley continued in the 6th form and took A-levels in English, sociology, and psychology in 1983 before studying dance and theater at the London Studio Centre. Personal life. Hurley was a relatively unknown actress when she met Hugh Grant in 1987 while working on a Spanish production called Remando al Viento. In the 1990s, Hurley became known mostly as Grant's girlfriend. In 1994, as Grant became the focus of international media attention due to the success of his film For Weddings and a Funeral, Hurley accompanied him to the film's London premiere in a black Versace dress, which gained her instant media attention. While dating Hurley, Grant gained notoriety for soliciting the services of the sex worker Divine Brown in 1995. Hurley stood by Grant and accompanied him to the premiere of his film 9 Months. After 13 years together, Hurley and Grant announced an amicable split in May 2000. On April 4, 2002, Hurley gave birth to a son, Damian Charles Hurley. The baby's father, American businessman Steve Bing, denied paternity by claiming that he and Hurley had a brief, non-exclusive relationship in 2001. A DNA test established Bing as Damian's father. Hurley stated in 2020 that she, Damian, and Bing had reconciled before his death to celebrate Damian's 18th birthday. Hugh Grant is one of Damian's godfathers. Hurley is godmother to Patsy Kensett's and Liam Gallagher's son, Lennon, and David and Victoria Beckham's two sons, Brooklyn and Romeo. In late 2002, Hurley began dating Indian businessman Arun Nair. They married in 2007. Hurley lived on a 400-acre organic farm in Barnsley, Gloucestershire, with her son and husband. In December 2010, Hurley announced that she and Nair had separated several months earlier. Hurley filed for divorce on the 2nd of April 2011, citing Nair's unreasonable behavior as the cause, grounds for divorce under English law. The divorce was granted on the 15th of June 2011. In late 2011, 3 months after her divorce, Hurley became engaged to Shane Warne, a former Australian cricketer. In 2012, Hurley and Warne bought the grade-to-listed mansion Donington Hall near Ledbury, Herefordshire, as their main home. In December 2013, Hello magazine reported the couple's separation. Warne died of a heart attack on the 4th of March 2022 at age 52, and Hurley paid tribute to her ex-fiance, 66. In March 2018, her nephew Miles Hurley was stabbed repeatedly in the back by a group of men in Wandsworth, South London. In April 2025, Hurley announced on social media that she was dating American musician Billy Ray Cyrus. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.